Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've got another hair review for you guys. This hair is from Hergivenhair, and you guys, I'm really excited about this wig that I've got. So the unit that I've got is called the Diva Curly Unit. Now normally I show you guys how I bleach my knots, but I skipped that step for this video because I want to get right into the actual specs of the hair. So I'm back and I have put down my bald cap. So I'm just gonna throw the wig on just real quick for you guys to see what it looks like. And I'm already really in love with this wig, and I know it's gonna look amazing once it's styled. It looks really, you know, big and crazy. But of course, once you part it out and add a little bit of product to kind of bring the curls out more definitively, it'll be so cute. But this rig is really amazing. Whatever size I got, I'll comment down below what size I have on my head, but it does fit like a glove. Like, it fits perfectly. I am going to tweeze a little bit of the sides out on both sides, but other than that, like, this wig is like virtually perfect. Like, it's just perfect. And look at how my knots, you know, you can't really see the knots. I bleached them pretty well this time around. So I'm gonna tweeze my sides and I'll be right back. So to glue down my cap, I'm just gonna mix some Got2b gel with some Got2b hairspray. I just don't want to deal with rubbing the glue off. Sometimes it's a bit harsh on my skin, so I'm just going to use this for now. Also guys, I want to mention that this hair is incredibly soft. It's really soft. I'm really excited about this wig. I've never seen a wig that looks so natural. It looks like it's my given hair, and that's the point. So I'm just going to show you a few little styles that you can do with this wig. Also, this is a 14-inch wig, I forgot to mention. But the link to this exact wig is going to be down below, so be sure to check out the description box for that. So when I want my hair to be down in the center part, especially with curly hair, it's a good idea to train the hair to go backwards. So that way when it does fall down, it doesn't go directly in your actual face. So I'm just kind of using the Got2b spray and the gel to bend my hair going back. So when I let it out, see, it's not going down in my face. So this is the best way to do a center part with curly hair like this. And just as easily as I did that style, I can just part it to the side and do a side part. And this is just as cute and just as easy to accomplish. I would also like to point out that the lace is blending perfectly with my skin. So I'm really enjoying the lace color on this unit. And so in between styles, I'm just spraying it with a little bit of water just to bring the curls back and to make the hair easier to manipulate. Now this style is so adorable. I'm just doing a half up, half down. I don't even need to slick anything up more than just adding a little bit of water. I don't need to tie anything down. It's just a really easy get up and go style. The other really amazing thing about this hair is it just takes a little bit of water for the curls to completely rejuvenate and completely come back coily. Sometimes when you stretch the hair, it doesn't come back as curly, but this hair comes right back. And if you want to add a little bit more definition, you can use a gel or a natural curling jelly. I'm using this Marc Anthony anti-humidify hair gel for curly hair, just to get that really defined curly look. This hair again is from Hergivenhair. Hello, what are you doing? This hair is from Hergivenhair, so be sure to click the link in the description box to this hair. But honestly, there's a lot of people who want natural looking weave or a natural looking wig. Like, I think people like the idea of not feeling like people know for sure that that hair is not yours. So this hair is going to give the illusion that it is your natural God-given hair. And I think that that is amazing. It really does look super natural. I really love this whole entire unit. Now, if it looks like it's a little bit bald, I might have went a little bit crazy on the tweezing. But anyways, so yes, if you guys are interested, be sure to click the link in the description box. And again, I really, really love this hair. Most natural looking, natural curls I've ever experienced in my life. All right, you guys, so that's it for now. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. You guys can leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. Share this video, and of course, subscribe if you're subscribed. And of course, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time.